Ambunge ma ODM Babu Owino wa Embakasi wumiloni wa syua na ndongoi aka Kisumu muwandu Ruth Odinga nimaumania itambya ya Mutongoi wa chama cha ODM Raila Odinga wamana President William Ruto ya kusyiiya amemba mambunge kauntini ilovi maimung'uthula kuma utongoini Ngavana wa kaunti ilovi Ngavana Sakaja vala maweta kiko cha utheini cha kukinyangia nthi mwiana wake katiba na uthukumi wa serikali cia Muti uko Benjamin Mwaka na Mauvo.
We have decided to impeach Sakaja.
Babu Owino nolotangasite kumwindu cha Ngavana Sakaja gikunguni chukite cho Ngavana mwaka wa 2017 weto na kutika ma MCA mailovi ni mana Kuseseea Sakaja evinda ni ukite kulani inene sukite wale ne the mailovi maka mwindu cha musi vatete
was protected by the MCAs. But Kenyans will not protect him. He'll be voted out because already the MCAs agreed that he's born incompetent and he cannot serve Nairobians. So therefore in 2027 we will not lose the joy of today because of tomorrow's troubles. But in 2027 be rest assured that he'll go home.
Ndongoi ya kakuya Kisumu muwandu Ruth Odinga eweta ma MCA mailovi maya ile idha syua maimung'uthula kuma kivilani Ngavana Sakaja iwete dwa Sakaja ndena mavicho aileta na ndiye kuitetea mbe wa Senate.
The actual fact that the MCAs of Nairobi came out to oversight and say that they had no confidence in the governor of Nairobi should have been recognized and nothing should have been done. They should have been allowed to go through with that petition. And I tell the Nairobi MCAs that they should have continued with their process, so that if in case they feel wronged, let them impeach him, let him go to Senate, let Senate then say that whether he's right or not.
Kuyanana na muwandu Ruth Odinga nikana ni uthukumu no kwa Mutongoi wa ODM Raila Odinga na President William Ruto kuvata ma MCA avina wo kuthukuma wiola wo weta ini nzia nthukumu no ya kuwa uthukumu wa serikali cia mitiuko kikatiba.
I am somebody who is actually a believer in devolution and oversight. And therefore for me, I feel disappointed in what the Nairobi MCAs have done. They should have gone through the process. They should have ensured that we actually uphold the devolution, the tenet of devolution that states that the MCAs are the actual oversighters of the governor. So for me, I'm very clear and categorical that the MCAs of Nairobi have let down the people of Nairobi.
Manene ya jadini cha Super Choice Leaders Awards cha kutuva yumbe kila chato iwe mailovi na kila yumbe kiolkanyo makwata midhenzi yo kuma na udhukumi wa mailu.
That's why we are in parliament to serve Kenyans, and we'll always serve the interest of Kenyans inherently and religiously.
This is a confidence vote, and it gives me more energy to drive towards 2027.
This award belongs to my people of Jomvu. Winning this position today does not mean that we have won election, but this position just evaluates you on your strengths and your weaknesses, to work on your weaknesses and to put more on your strengths.
I, as Ruth Odinga, will continue to work for the people of Kisumu, but I also work for the truth, and I also work for freedom of the people of Kenya. And I am very happy, and I will always say that for me, I belong to my father who brought in multipartyism. I will strongly fight for multi-party, and I will strongly fight for devolution. And that's one of the reasons why I'm going to vie for governor, to ensure that that governor space is used and utilized to support the people.
I'm really happy and delighted to be here, to be recognized for the work that I've been doing for my people. And I also thank my people of Kiminini, the good people of Kiminini, for giving me this great opportunity.
Vilingo mavoku mavamu sinilovi nyanito Benjamin Mwaka.